Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. We're about to see what's inside, so we could take a look and see what other goodies they have to offer by clicking my Amazon affiliate link down below. Check them out, see what other goodies they have to offer. But if you like this item, add it to your cart now. Check out so they could ship it to you fast. We are in prime time, guys. Holiday season is here. Santa Claus will be here shortly. Turkey Day is a few weeks away. Knowing how fast this month might go, it's going to be here in no time. So definitely check these guys out. You never know what you can find. And we'll see what this is right about now. Alright, guys. It's coming from FancYarn glass end table. This thing is sweet. Here's a bottom glass. I got some little smudgies I gotta clean up. A really nice glass. Got the corners there. Bada boom. This is a nice little table. Put your cups, your coffee, or a book. Maybe a TV stand or something small. But it is glass, so you gotta figure out the weight of the item. But, you know, for books and whatnot, it's a nice little thing to have. We gotta put this right. There we go. Really nice, guys. Excellent quality wood. Great glass. Definitely check them out, guys. FancYarn. And see what other goodies they have to offer. And if you like this item, get it now. Be safe. Have a good night.